feel there's a lot of difference, because in TV serials, no doubt they show that drama, typical masala and all. In movies also they want, but experience about this movie, this is based on very realistic story, you know, what problems you faced in your normal life. Sometimes you get influenced by wrong people, you follow the wrong path to, get easy success and all. In this movie it shows that yeah, sometimes you get distracted from your path, but how you manage to come on the right track, it's all about that. In serials they full of makeup and all, which I felt, but in this movie it's without makeup only. Everything was so normal that they were showing the real self of ourselves. Like, if you're in normal life, what will you do? It's all about that, not like full drama, you're sleeping with full makeup and all. It's realistic based things. Yeah, actually I was very, passionate about that, because my father is in Air Force and all my friends are major and lieutenant in army and all. I wanted to join army, but somehow there was some personal issues, you can say, that I didn't join. After that, when I came in this industry, then you felt that something, whatever happened in your life, it's for a reason. Because I used to dance in school and college, and skit and plays in colleges and all, but there was a connection between them. So I felt that my parents were like that, if you are good in that, go for it. Then I thought, okay, because army there's age difference and you have that limited time period for girls also, then you can get into that. After that I completed my masters and MBA and masters in sociology, and I thought, okay, this is only my cup of tea, at least I should give my 100% to it only. My parents are very supportive, touch wood, and thanks to God, because I am from a Punjabi family. Mostly Punjabis are very conservative, but in my family, my father, he is the only one, he says that you made me feel proud because I am working opposite to Mamuka or TV industry, and he is like, do what you feel that, but if what I feel, if they trust me, I should not break their trust. So they trust me, and what they want from me, I try to give them. So because it's all your parents' dream only. At the end of the day, they were the only one who will stand by you. Malayalam movie, when I came for this meeting, I told my parents, and very nice experience with my father, because my father's senior is a Malayali only. He speaks Malayali and all. When he came to know that I am working opposite to Mamuka, and then my father was like, oh, so everybody knows that you are working opposite to me. Then he told me that you made me feel proud in front of everyone. So it's not about that language, or you are working and it's a good work, then obviously parents will be happy. I have done theatre for 7 months because I was doing my NCC camp. Then that you represent your state. So in that, Mr. Balwant Thakur was there. They were, directing that whole play. Then they selected me for his play, Ghumai. That was a famous play in Jammu. Then I did that play in 2005 in Mumbai. That National Theatre was there. But after that I left that, because as I told you, I wanted to join army. I said it's better to go on one track only, because if you distract your vision, then there is no point. So after that, there was only for 5-6 months I did that, and then I was very reserved and shy kind of person. When I used to say any line, I used to like that, yes sir. Then they used to say that you don't have to talk on phone, speak it loudly. So it was like, a theatre has helped me a lot to open up, because when you know that in theatre there is a live performance only, you cannot take cut. So you have to be very, confident about your lines and about your character. Then only you can deliver it in front of everyone. So it was there that they have made me confident in while speaking my lines or anything, facing audience. While doing our scenes in movies or serials, you get that cut. Okay, you have to do it okay, if you are not saying it correctly, you can do it again. But in theatre, you got only one chance. When you are in front of audience, you cannot say it, okay, I have to say it again, I don't think so, I have done it properly. That's the only way to deliver it in front. That time only you give your 100%. So that's your live performance. That 101 session is happening, that's in front of audience. For me, because this is my first movie, and in movies experience, I have learned a lot. In TV serials, they also want good performance from you, but sometimes they compromise, because they have to give their episodes. If maybe they have telecast in the evening, they have to finish it off as soon as possible. But in movies, you can't compromise with anything. If something is not good, you will take it one more time. yeah, that director will not compromise because everybody's teamwork is there. If one person is doing wrong, then whole team will suffer. It's in the movies, and movies experience, they show it actually the real characters. They don't make it like, if I'm playing Sheetal, if I'm playing North Indian girl, they'll not make me very glamorous or something. Okay, we'll adjust with that. No, if they want middle class family, they'll show it like a middle class family girl only. So it was there.